my favorite garden center place, and they have marked their plants down 75% off. Everything is marked down in the greenery, as you can see on the sign, except for Christmas. So I went, and these ones I've been waiting for. Oh yeah, these corbels, these are originally $7.48, and they are $1 and some change. And the bigger ones, like this size, which is $14.98, they're ringing up $3 and some change. So this is a plant that I've been wanting to put in my lower area of my garden, so you know your girl is going to be raking up. So they have the mondo grass, that's $3.48. Don't forget, 75% off now. It's everything except for Christmas. So if you guys need some plants for spring, this is the time to come on down and load up, because you see your girl is already getting her stuff together, because I'm going to be having me some beautiful, beautiful corbels in my garden. Look at this selection. They're all the one kind, which is, this one is the black olive corbel. So I'm going to be getting a few of those, and I will go around and show you what other options you have. All right, hang tough. Give you an overview of these butterfly bushes, and these go for $29.98, so $30, 75% off. You have this midnight vine, which is I'll just show you the names and you can see what they are. Give you an overview of all the stuff that they have going on here. They even got this grass here, which is $15.98. And then they have, what is these? Whew. This is what it is. Looks like a hibiscus, yeah. A hibiscus for $29. So let's go over on the other side, but this is an overview of some of the stuff that they have. The roses right here. The double knockout roses. They have those. And those are $25. Let's move on down. They got their Shasta daisies, which are called the Minute Daisy for $7.48. And of course, they're going to have their mums and stuff for, these are $1.98. They still look halfway decent. You have these ornamental peppers right here for $4.98. Still looking good. Give you an overview of what they look like. Beautiful. They have some sedum over there, which I'm sure is a lot that you guys could use those for. Mums over here that are $9.98. I brought a couple of these last time, and these are the colors that they have. So you should be excited about those. Give you a look. Alright, remember, 75% off. And the next time it's going to go down to 90 if any of this stuff is still available. So I'm telling you, 75% off is not a bad deal to come and pick up some of these wonderful flowers. Over here in the hostas, and these hostas are the, you're gonna find it, working on it. There's the Earth Angel Plantain Lily, and these are $19.98. I have a bunch of those. Bunch of hostas up there. Remember, 75% off. More double knockouts here. Still blooming, looking beautiful. Alrighty guys, giving you heads up to let you know this is the time to come to Lowe's and pick up your shrubs, your foundation plantings, because they are 75% off. 75% off. So, you know, your girl is gonna go and pay for her core bills. I got a whole bunch here that I am so excited about. So I got my work cut out for me. Alright guys, get on over to Lowe's before all this wonderful goodness of plants are gone. Alright, this is your girl from Renee's Garden signing out. Get to Lowe's. Run, run, run.